Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about pointers. What is a pointer? What are the uses and how pointer is declared and initialized in C++. A pointer is a data type. One of the a pointer data type is the one of the strengths of the C++ language. The pointer is a powerful technique to access the data by indirect reference, as it holds the address of the variable where it has been stored in the memory. A pointer is a variable which holds the memory address of another variable, sometimes only. With the pointer, a complex data can be declared and accessed easily. Pointers have the following advantages. What are that? Accessing array element, passing arguments to a function by reference, passing arrays and strings to a function, creating data structures such as linked list, trees, graphs, and so on, obtaining the memory from the system dynamically. Now we will discuss how the pointers are declared and how the initialized. In C++, every variable must be declared for its type. Since the pointer variable contains the addresses that belong to a separate data type, they must be declared as a pointer before we use them. The declaration of a pointer variable takes the following form: data type star pointer name. In this way we can create the pointers. This tells the compiler three things about the variable pointer name. The asterisk tells the variable pointer, the asterisk here. The asterisk tells that the variable pointer name is a pointer variable. Pointer name needs a memory location. Pointer name points to a variable of the type data type. Here example, int star p declares the variable p as a pointer variable that points to an integer data type. Understood? Similarly, the statements float star x, float star x declares the x as a pointer to a floating point variable. Once the pointer variable has been declared, it can be made to a point to a variable using the assignment statement such as p equal to address of any quantity. Which causes p to a quantity, that is p now contains the address of a quantity. This is now known as pointer initialization. Understood? Before a pointer is initialized, it should not be used. Understood? This is the general way of syntax for the pointer. This is the examples for pointer. This is the way to initializing the pointer. Here we have to create the pointer and we have to assign the variable, assign the address of any quantity to a created variable. Understood? Have you understood the whole topic? Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel. Thank you.